teams can still use their same wheels from last year, but not wheel nuts. And that's because Dallara has converted it to a metric thread with a more robust wheel nut. If you take a look, it's a little heavier and certainly more threads than what they ran last year. This is meant to be a high performance piece. It was made outside sourcing that the teams cut all the corners they could. Only 3.5 threads, it goes on quickly. With nearly 7 threads on the Dallara piece, yes, it's going to take nearly twice the number of revolutions to get it into place. Now this is causing some issues already this year on pit stops because the timing is different. Once you get the socket in place, you want it to push towards you, okay? But when it's time to pull, if you pull too early, it'll leave the wheel nut and peel it out of the socket itself. So the teams are having to revamp all their timing because of the double number of turns. Now, one thing that slightly backfired on Dallara was that not all the teams used the same angle on their wheels, and not all the teams used the same sockets. And these are very expensive pieces, so they had to make about 4 versions of this wheel nut, which of course jacked up the price. Still cheaper than last year, but $260. Now here's a little tidbit. If you look close, right here, there's a few marks on this angle. And the teams before the next race are going to update to a brand new titanium socket that gives them just a little bit of relief in this area. $2,200 for each corner of the car just to shave a little friction and time during a pit stop.